Burning fossil fuels 除咗會製造咗 global warming 嘅時候，佢亦都會製造咗一啲 air pollutants。我哋 air pollutants 有兩種嘅，一種係 gas，一種係 suspended particulates。第一次 carbon dioxide 並不是 air pollutants 嚟㗎。我哋喺香港咧，major source of air pollutants are motor cars and power plants。我哋啲車太多啦，其實咧都係有好多好多污染，或者係最重要嘅就係啲發電廠。Air pollutants in the atmosphere cause harmful effects to the environment and to human。佢呢啲 pollutants 咧係會對環境同埋對人類嘅健康都係會影響嘅，所以係一個 health problem and the environmental problem。我哋啲 pollutants 包括乜嘢咧？gaseous 嘅包括有 carbon monoxide、sulfur dioxide、nitrogen oxides。suspended particulates 又包括啲乜嘢咧？black smokes、soot 同埋 dust。逐隻提咧，carbon monoxide 咧，第一個就係佢 incomplete combustion of fossil fuels。例如我哋啲汽車行走嘅時候，當佢哋行走喺路面上邊，個汽車有個摩打，佢燃燒嗰啲 petrol 唔足夠嘅 oxygen，周圍都係車，其實啲 oxygen 唔夠俾佢燃燒，或者佢基本上咧，佢喺一個好細嘅地方就要燒足夠嘅能量去推動架車咧，係需要大量嘅 oxygen。你就咁喺架車嘅車底下邊要佢燒着嗰啲 fuels petrol 係比較難去完全燃燒晒嘅，所以 carbon monoxide formed。carbon monoxide 最致命嘅咧就係佢 poisonous，係聞唔到嘅。佢咧係會 combine with hemoglobin and then more strongly with than that with oxygen，所以個 blood carry oxygen 嘅 capacity 咧就會 lower 咗。一 lower 咗嘅時候，我哋就會容易中一氧化碳毒，就會死嘅。第二個就係 sulfur dioxide，sulfur dioxide 就係 burns sulfur in the air，但係無情情點解會有 sulfur 咧？如果你記得嘅話，coal 係有 sulfur 嘅 compound 喺度，當你 burn 嗰啲嘅 sulfur compound 嘅時候，佢會變成 sulfur dioxide。所以我哋啲 fuels，尤其是 coal 或者 diesel oil 都有，係有 sulfur，而呢啲 sulfur compound 佢燒嘅時候變成 sulfur dioxide。sulfur dioxide 都係一隻 poisonous gas，佢係 colorless 而且 acidic。佢 acidic 嘅話咧，佢會令到你個 irritate 你個 respiratory system。Once you inhale，你吸入咗，佢刺激到嗰啲酸，會刺激到你嘅喉嚨，導致到係有 choking smell，或者 dissolve into your eyes，入咗你隻眼，眼睛有水，佢 irritates our eyes，亦都 attacks our respiratory system and cause lung disease。然之後，如果佢係溶咗喺水度咧，佢就會變成咗 acid rain。咁溶水咧，記住佢就先變咗做 H2SO3sulfurous acid 先嘅。sulfurous acid H2SO3 咧，再 react with 空氣嘅 oxygen 就會變成 sulfuric acid。Normally 我哋嘅 rainwater 因為係有 CO2 喺度嘅，咁所以咧 normally 佢係 pH 5.6，即係話本身佢其實 dissolve 咗啲 carbon dioxide 落去，變成咗 carbonic acid，所以佢係個 pH 係5.6。但係如果你加埋其他雜質嘅 acidic pollutants 喺度嘅話，就會令到佢 more acidic。所以 rainwater with lower pH than 5.6嘅話咧，我哋就已經叫佢做 acid rain。sulfur dioxide 嘅 acid rain 導致到乜嘢咧？就其實係 damage plants 或者係 corrode 一啲 statue 啦。同樣另一隻 gaseous pollutants nitrogen oxides，nitrogen oxides 點嚟嘅咧？就係其中一隻就係 nitrogen monoxide 或者 nitrogen dioxide，或者我哋咧 collectively 就會話佢係 nitrogen oxides，唔使理佢係 NO 定 NO2 啦，咁我就話佢係 NOx。主要來源係個 car exhaust。點解會有咧？就係因為喺空氣入邊個 nitrogen 同空氣入邊嘅 oxygen in the car engine 嗰度 high temperature 底下 nitrogen react with oxygen becomes nitrogen monoxide，而 nitrogen monoxide 佢可以好快地喺 oxygen 嘅 presence 變成咗 nitrogen dioxide。 變咗做 nitrogen dioxide 嘅話，佢其實 nitrogen dioxide 係一個 brown acidic gas 嚟，佢係一個 irritating smell 添。點解會 irritate 咧？就係因為佢本身都係一隻 acidic vapor 嚟。NO nitrogen monoxide 或者 NO2 nitrogen dioxide，統稱佢係 nitrogen oxides，佢哋全部都係 poisonous 嘅。而另一樣嘢咧，由於佢係帶有酸性，所以咧佢會 irritate our eyes and attack our respiratory system。而且佢都係 cause acid rain 嘅。nitrogen monoxide 同空氣嘅 oxygen react，and then 同 water react 會變成 nitrous acid，或者 nitrogen dioxide react with water，再 react with oxygen 會變成 nitric acid，或者係 nitrogen dioxide 直接 dissolve in water 都冇 react with oxygen，佢就會變成 nitrous and nitric acid。咁所以咧，無論點都好啦，呢三條 equation 就係話俾我聽 ，nitrogen monoxide、nitrogen dioxide dissolve 喺 water 入邊，佢會變成咗 acid。而呢啲 acid 如果喺 respiratory system，咪就會 attack 我哋個 respiratory system 咯。如果 dissolve in rainwater，咪會製造咗 acid rain 咯。唔好忘記 nitrogen dioxide 本身就係一個 brown gas 嚟，佢就會製造咗 photochemical smoke。乜嘢係 photochemical smoke 咧？其實就係當我哋如果喺 sunlight 底下，其實個humidity 唔係好高，唔係好濕嘅時候，但係你都見到灰灰蒙蒙嗰啲，並唔係因為 water vapor 造成嘅 smoke 嗰啲霧，而係因為由一啲嘅空氣污染物，嗰啲就係 photochemical smoke。photochemical smoke 有啲咩嘢唔好處咧？當然睇遠嘢睇唔到啦。More than that，因為佢哋係一個 pollutants，佢會有 health problem associate 啦，就 irritates our eyes 同埋 attacks our respiratory system。頭先講咗一啲 gaseous 嘅 pollutants，講翻一啲 particulates 呢個都係 gaseous 嘅，sorry。呢個係 unburned hydrocarbon。嗱，unburned hydrocarbon 主要咧就係喺 car exhaust 度，佢未完全燒晒。例如啲 C8H18 octane 喺我哋嘅 petrol 入邊燒嘅時候，連燒都未燒完就已經 directly evaporate 啦，可以係原本係 liquid，你本身想 heat 佢去 react，但係佢根本就冇 oxygen，所以直接 vaporize 咗。呢啲 unburned hydrocarbon 咧會造成乜嘢咧？就係都係 irritate our respiratory system。由於佢係啲 organic 嘢，有高度嘅刺激性咯，咁所以就對我哋嘅呼吸系統造成一啲刺激啦。Some of them are suspected to be carcinogenic， 同埋佢都係一樣會 involve 咗個 photochemical smoke 嘅。Suspended particulates 咧，其實就係會係佢懸浮喺個 suspended in air for a long time。呢啲 solid particles 咧，佢唔會咁輕易咁散走咗，所以咧又係一樣會製造到一啲好似 photochemical smoke 咁灰灰蒙蒙啦。The particulates include black smoke、dust、soot，其實係一啲 fine carbon particles 啦，或者係一啲本身就係你 break down 咗嘅 carbon particles。所以你有陣時喺汽車度嗰啲 motor car，你見到佢排放啲黑煙，其實就係啲 hydrogen 燒咗，可能剩低嘅就係嗰啲 carbon 啦，嗰啲 carbon powder，或者係 suspended particulates，或者係喺啲 power station 底下，啲 power station 都係一樣啦。燒嘅時候唔 sufficient oxygen，係好容易俾噴出黑煙，淨係燒咗 hydrogen 嗰 part，個 carbon hydrocarbon 燒咗 hydrogen carbon，繼續剩低又係出翻啲黑煙。有啲乜嘢唔好處咧？嗰啲黑煙，第一就係 reduce visibility 或者 darken building walls，呢個係 environmental problem 嚟嘅。但係另一個咧就係 respirable suspended particulates。當你吸入咗個呼吸系統度咧，其實係會導致到我哋有 respiratory 嘅 illness。咁如果我哋再吸入嘅話咧，抱歉，我都唔係好識點讀呢個字啦。不過係啲心血管嘅疾病咯。 呢個係一個我哋會影響我哋嘅身體啦。Acid rain 同埋 photochemical smoke 同埋一啲 health problem，我哋 associate with 我哋喺 burning fossil fuels 入邊係會製造到一啲 pollutants，製造到 pollution 出嚟。burning fossil fuels 製造 pollution，亦都係會製造到一啲 harmful effect。harmful effect 記住分開做兩類啦，一類就係 health 嘅 effect 或者 health problem，一個就係 environmental problem。不過每一隻 pollutants，我哋講唔講得出佢哋有邊啲 pollutants，同埋有啲乜嘢 harmful effect 出嚟？而我哋亦都講唔講得出有啲乜嘢 pollutants 嘅 source，例如佢哋係嚟自車啊，嚟自個 power plants 啊，定係邊度咧？